Hi everyone, welcome to part 2 of our series on venturing into the real estate market. So for this video, we'll be telling you why you should consider investing in a real estate fund or a real estate investment trust. As was mentioned in our last video, the current low interest rate environment has been fueling demand for real estate as an investment asset. Now, this in addition to the recent tax reductions for asset taxes and stamp duty are expected to increase this demand such that a greater performance is expected from the real estate market. Now, these factors make real estate an even more attractive option. So if you are hoping to capitalize on the gains to be made from the real estate market, your first thought would be, let me use a traditional real estate investment strategy, which includes you directly buying the property and then renting it or reselling it. However, the average person usually does not have the funds needed to purchase whether it is residential or commercial property, and therefore they end up missing out on this tremendous opportunity. However, for those persons who cannot partake in the market because of cost, there are no options available for you. Now, these non-traditional options come in the form of you using a professionally managed real estate fund or a real estate investment trust. So why should you invest in a real estate fund or real estate investment trust? Well, firstly, they trade just as your normal stocks do. So by investing in one, you become part owner of whichever property or properties that they have ownership in. Now, secondly, the real estate fund and the real estate investment trust usually earn greater returns when compared to the traditional method. And as part owner, you get paid dividends. Now, there's a potential for this dividend payout to be even higher when the rental incomes go up for the properties that they own. Thirdly, these non-traditional options are more liquid than your traditional real estate assets, as you can sell your shares at any time that you want to reap whatever benefits you would have acquired from capital appreciation. Fourthly, if you are worried that you don't have the expertise to enter the real estate market because you don't know what to buy or where to buy properties, you don't have to worry about that with a fund because there's a professional manager who carries out all of these functions. Lastly, if you were to invest in a real estate fund traditionally, more than likely you'd only be able to buy one property in one country. However, if you invest in a real estate fund, you have access to both property and geographical diversification. How so? These funds usually invest in different types of properties, both commercial and residential, and they have investments in various countries. So you have access to greater return as well as your risks are reduced because you have a greater pool of assets. So, if costs were to deterring you from entering the real estate market, now you have a cheaper alternative that could potentially provide you with even greater returns. So you do not have any excuse but to enter into the real estate market now. By the way, this video was shot on location at the newly opened AC Hotel Kingston.